The morning after. We been here all week, tested on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and accomplished what we came down to do on Saturday. So we conquered. Everything went pretty smooth. Need to do a little work with some tire control and had some trouble chunking, but all in all, we did good. Unbelievable group of cars that we had down here. Looking forward to the next one here, World Series. So I'm gonna take a break, go back, work on my truck, trying to get it ready to bring down a test for that U.S. Street National. So anyhow, we're headed back, but we did it again. We won two, and a heck of a way to finish the year. Thanks, everybody.